How you doing? Stu Sterling here from over in Japan. Welcome to my video. Welcome to my website, stuartsterling.com. In this video, I'm gonna do a run through and a demo of Simulatri. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it. What is Simulatri? Well, in a nutshell, it's a funnel designer. So you can create your funnel with the drag and drop editor that they have. I'll show you in the demo that I'll do shortly. You can simulate that funnel and you can see exactly your numbers. So you can set, a target conversion rate for your opt-in pages and your sales pages, and you can add in numbers of traffic, how much traffic you can expect on a daily basis to go through into your entry points, and then you can see the performance and have a good idea of how well that funnel is going to perform. And without something like this, you'd be stuck with a whiteboard full of little boxes and diagrams and mathematic equations and stuff, and you'd probably get lost and say, okay, let's just build it, and we have no idea, we'll be flying in the dark, basically. So Simulatri gives you a neat little bird's eye view of your whole funnel. So it takes the guesswork out of creating funnels, basically, right? So on this page you can read about Simulatri. What does it do exactly? It's a little bit from the sales page that I stole, however you want to put it. I've got the price here. Now Simulatri, at launch time, it's going to be $67 for the basic app, and that gives you pretty much all of the features. The only feature that's left out, which is available in the Pro version, which is the first upsell, which is also $67. This lets you kind of set different scenarios. So say you want to compare the same funnel, but you want to change a couple of the conversion rates. Say you think this page will convert at 5%, but the worst case scenario might only convert at 3%. What's my profits going to be if it only converts at 3%? So it's a pretty neat little tool. But anyway, I'll show you more when I go inside and give you a demo. Okay. And the third upsell is for 12 months of Pro license to Convertri, which is the page builder app that they've been working on and developing over 6 years. And I have been a Convertri user from the very beginning, from when they started 6 years ago. So I've been using it the whole time. I've seen all the advances that they've made on it, and it's really an irreplaceable tool in my business. I have nearly all my websites. I basically use Convertri for funnels, sales pages, and I use WordPress for blogs. So Convertri handles all of my sales pages. So very, very irreplaceable little app there. And through this deal, you can get 12 months for $697. Usually costs $99 a month, so that's around $400 a year less than you'd pay if you got on the monthly plan. So quite a good deal, and if you're thinking about getting Convertri, this would be the ideal time to get it because of the bonus savings that you get. Okay, so Convertri goes live November 9th, roughly tomorrow night in Japan time. If I'm not correct, it could be early mornings of Wednesday morning. Okay, my bonus, I have a nice bonus if you decide to grab Simulatri, and also if you decide to get Convertri as well. So if you want to get Simulatri or Simulatri Pro, then I'm offering 2 hours of funnel design coaching. It's not limited just to funnel design coaching, but I'll basically help you create a funnel, help you with product ideas, funnel ideas, marketing ideas, whatever you need help with to get started or to get to the next level. Okay, we can talk about that. We can split it up into 2 sessions and we just talk about your business. Okay, if you grab Simulatri or Simulatri Pro and Convertri, then I'll give you 4 hours of coaching, and on top of that I'll write 2 sales letters for you. Okay, I'll write sales copy for your opt-in page and sales copy for an upsell page. Okay, so I write copy for clients. Okay, clients actually come to me, they pay me to write copy for them, and I on average charge around $900 for a sales letter. For good return customers, I give them a bit of a discount, but for new clients that come to me, it's $900 for a sales letter. And all you have to do to claim your bonuses is, first, make sure you clear your cookies, and then you can go purchase the items that you want. Make sure you click through my affiliate link so I earn the commissions. Thank you very much. And then get in touch with me either via email or open a support ticket at my support desk. Okay, so let's jump into the dashboard of Simulatri so you can see how it works. So when you get your account, it's going to look something like this. Okay, I am a Convertri member, so it's integrated. Okay, so that's one of the first awesome things about this. If you're already a Convertri member, you want to get Simulatri because I'll show you soon, but the funnels that you design inside Simulatri can be created, like the pages and everything can be created in Convertri with a couple of clicks. Okay, so you don't have to go and manually create each different page. It's just one click and all the pages that you need for that funnel that you designed get created. So pretty magical stuff. So if you're not a Convertri member, it's still going to be useful, but it won't be as useful to you unless you're a Convertri member. So there's even more incentive there for you to join up with Convertri. Okay, so I've been playing around inside this funnel designer, Simulatri, for about the last hour or so. Alright, so to create your first funnel or design your first funnel, this is what I did. I went to create here, and then I used their template here. I've got a beta account, so there's only one template that's available right now. I'm assuming after they launch, there's going to be a selection of templates that you can choose. But for now, they just have a basic lead gen funnel. So I'll show you what it looks like. I'll call this one lead gen 2. So the basic funnel from the template looks like this. Pretty simple stuff. But this is where it gets interesting, okay? So say you want to add different traffic generation sources. So let's go click on traffic, and we got a paid traffic on. Let's do email traffic, and we put email traffic there. Organic traffic here, okay? And so we can connect these to here, to our opt-in page, okay? And then we can set the cost per click. So let's say $1, and then this is clicks per day. So say we get like 25 clicks per day. Okay, email traffic. Let's say we get some solo ads and get 50 clicks a day. This commission, I think this is, I'm not exactly sure what this is, but I think it's like if you are paying a commission on the products to affiliates. Okay, so we'll just leave this blank for now. Just imagine we're not paying affiliates for traffic or sales or anything. Organic traffic, let's say we get, let's go real basic small numbers for now. Let's do 30 clicks a day coming to our opt-in page. Okay, then we can set the, we can, because if we're going to create these pages later in Convertri, we can choose exactly what type of opt-in page we want. So let's go for a two-step opt-in page. And conversions, let's say off cold traffic. So this is the thing, I could make another opt-in page here. Okay, and then I could have the top one here just for cold traffic, cold PPC traffic. Let's get rid of this one. and get rid of this one. So like email traffic, you can maybe assume that the conversions are going to be a little bit higher. So imagine the conversion rates for this one is like 40%, and the conversion rate for cold PPC traffic is going to be like 20%. Okay. So then they all go, they all go to the thank you page, the same thank you page, but in reality you probably only want to have one opt-in page in your actual funnel and send all the traffic for that, but just for demonstration purposes, to get a better idea of the actual conversion numbers, we'll make two. Okay, so then the thank you page, conversion rate. So imagine you have a link on your thank you page going to a sales letter. So imagine, I don't know, 60% click through to the sales page. Okay, your sales page. Let's just choose a product. You have to have product set up in Convertri for this to actually work. Let's do info product, $10. Okay, and conversions. Let's say 15%. 15% conversions on the $10 ebook. Okay, so we've created a real basic funnel. We've got traffic sources, put the cost and the numbers for that. We've added a few metrics here. Now if we click simulate here, we can see what actually happens, how much money we have or don't have after we run all this traffic through our funnel. Okay, let's see. Boom. Okay, so revenue $990, traffic cost $750. We are left with $240 profit. Okay, you can see the breakdown here, but the main thing is, okay, you want to see the bottom line here. It's $240 profit. So if you were to do that manually without a tool like this, you know, you could do it, but it would probably take a few hours. You'd need to be a bit of a mathematician, which certainly I am not. I really suck at mathematics, so you know, I can work out basic conversions, but going, and this is just a simple funnel. If there was a more complex funnel with more pieces in it, I would be really struggling to find out the conversions there. Okay, so that's a real basic run through and demo. Let me do a final thing, and that is build this funnel. Okay, but let me get rid of this opt-in page, and let's just have one opt-in page, and we're going to build this funnel. Okay, I'm going to choose a domain name. Let's just choose anything, and I'll do the Simulatri test funnel. Choose a theme. Okay, I'll just choose that one. Looks nice and basic. Build it. And Convertri is now opening up. And here we have my opt-in page, a sales page, and a thank you page. Okay, so we're all ready to go. So I think they've got it a bit. Oh no, they had it the right way around. Yeah, there we go. Opt-in page, thank you page, sales page. Now it's just a matter of editing these pages and sending the traffic to them. And I can know that I can make a profit. But before we go, I want to show you the scenarios little feature. So let's go back to the funnel designer. Okay, so we're back here at the simulator, Simulatri. And imagine we want to create another scenario where it's the optimum scenario. Okay, say we can get low cost traffic. Let's say our opt-in pages are converting even higher. Let's say our sales page is converting at a record high. Okay, so let's change the cost per click. Let's imagine we can get 50-cent clicks, 0.5% clicks. Let's imagine our opt-in rate is 40%. Okay, that's being very optimistic. Let's make it 30%. Okay. Thank you. Let's imagine this is even higher as well. People clicking through to the sales page. Let's make it 70%, and imagine the sales page is converting at 20%. Okay, so let's simulate this now. So now we are $955 in profit, in the black. So you can see the power of Simulatri and the scenarios as well. So, you know, this is all kind of, it's not set in stone. I mean, you know, these conversion numbers, these are just arbitrary, right? You can set them as goals that you want to aim for and you hope to aim for, because then you can really rely on these numbers. But you know, nothing is guaranteed as far as these numbers go, but it will give you a good idea of how your funnel is going to perform. So it's really a cool tool. I really am looking forward to using this and learning more about it. But you know, I think I've got a good grasp of it, and I've only been playing with it for the last hour. So yeah. So if this seems like a tool you would be interested in and you think would help your business as well, go and grab Simulatri through my affiliate link. And remember, I have those bonuses that you can take advantage of and get as well if you pick up Simulatri and Convertri as well. Remember, I have a special bonus if you want to get Convertri, which is the page builder. I do have an article, a review article on Convertri on my blog here as well, that you can read and see what is good about Convertri. Okay, so I'll wrap it up here. It's going to be a bit of a long video. If you made it through to the end, thank you very much. If you have any questions about Simulatri or Convertri, please drop a question in the comments section or on my blog somewhere, and I'll do my best to get back to you ASAP. Thanks again. Hope to hear from you soon. This is Stu Sterling. Bye bye.